If you have recently bought a shop vac, it's time to check your footage. The top 5 best shop vacs are here to help you do just that. Before we start our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for regular updates on our channel. By the way, start the video. Coming at number 5. Craftsman ZB 175909 gallon 4.25 peak HP wet/dry vac. Craftsman ZB 175909 gallon 4.25 peak HP wet/dry vac is a 9-gallon wet/dry vac with peak horsepower of 4.25. This model is ideal for medium-sized jobs around the garage, home, renovations, and job site. Use the rear exhaust port for blowing debris out of your garage or from your driveway and sidewalk. Built-in oversized drain on the wet/dry vac allows for convenient emptying of liquids. Next our list is number 4. Stanley SL 18115 wet/dry vacuum, 5-gallon. This Stanley SL 18115 wet/dry vacuum is a 5 gallons capacity, the largest on the market. It features a 4-peak horsepower motor that can provide powerful suction to vacuum both wet and dry debris. The unit can be used for a variety of applications, including vehicles, workshops, garages, basements, and more. The vacuum features a powerful pump and a long hose and cord for effective cleaning. Then our list is number 3. VacMaster Professional Wet/Dry Vac, 5-gallon. The VacMaster Professional Canister Wet/Dry Vac system is engineered to be a great value and a superior performer. This 5-gallon wet/dry professional vac from VacMaster is perfect for use in any commercial environment. The tank is made from high-quality polypropylene and the cord has a storage feature for easy storage. The VacMaster Professional Canister Wet/Dry Vacuum provides 5 gallons of clean air volume at a peak output of 5 horsepower and a runtime of 20 minutes. Next our list is number 2. Craftsman ZB 17595 16-gallon 6.5 peak HP wet/dry vac. This Craftsman 16-gallon wet/dry vac helps you tackle tough jobs around the house or yard and on the job site. With powerful 6.5 peak HP, this wet/dry vac can handle just about anything you can throw at it. Its dual flex technology allows you to move around at both ends to clean in tight places. Finally, our list is number 1. Stanley SL 18116P wet/dry vacuum, 6-gallon, 4 horsepower black. Stanley SL 18116P wet/dry vacuum is designed with a powerful yet compact 4.0 peak HP motor. Its large capacity and versatility make the Stanley SL 18116P wet/dry vacuum a great tool for household and commercial use. Its long reach and easy to handle design make it convenient to use. That's it for today, guys. These are the top 5 best shop vacs for you. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.